here are the keys to your brand new truck. This is just absolutely unbelievable.
Wait a minute, what does this mean? Must be 50 bucks, now 50 grand deep.
I
Why's
hate
the
taxes.
IRS calling me while trying to sneak one to give away?
To the IRS.
What have I done? $50,000, $50 run. I thought I won a prize. Now I'm paying the price.
Why did I enter in that giveaway?
Whoa, whoa, I won. I can't believe it now. 50 bucks, I'm the king.
Oh my God.
Take it back.
You won this
Got the
brand new
prize.
truck.
Live
This
life
is
like a
incredible.
dream.
Thank you
Wait a
so
minute.
much.
What risky? Thought I won a prize. Ooh, now I'm paying the price.
Why did I enter in that giveaway?
Spent my 50, now I'm 50 grand deep. IRS calling
These
while my
merchandise
dreams
sales
sleep.
are insane.
Wait a while, you wait. I thought I hit the jackpot.
This is so much easier than a real job.
Now I'm in a notch.
Always read the official rules. And don't get suckered in. And don't get suckered in.
Now why not? Ooh. Now I'm in a knot. I thought I hit the jackpot. I thought I hit the jackpot.
To the IRS.